$99 a month. That's what ManyChat charges for comment to DM automation on Instagram. Zorcha, paid per account. Chat AutoDM, every useful feature is behind a paywall. So I built the same thing, open source, free to run, forever. By the end of this video, this will be running on your Instagram account. Let's go. Here's the full picture before we touch any code. Someone comments a keyword on this reel. Let's say they comment guide. AutoDMX posts a public reply automatically. Then, instantly, fires a private DM with your message and up to 3 links. And optionally, before releasing the link, it checks if they're following your account. That's the entire ManyChat Pro flow, free. Here's the catch nobody mentions though. Setting this up touches 4 different platforms. If you do them in the wrong order, you'll waste an hour debugging something that wasn't broken. I'll show you the exact order. 5 things, all free. No credit card on any of them. One important note before we start. The GitHub Actions workflow is already in the repo, but it has 4 secrets that need to be added to GitHub before it does anything. People skip this step and wonder why their send queue never drains. I'll cover it at the exact right moment. Go to the AutoDMX GitHub repo. Link in the description and pinned comment. Top right. Fork. Leave everything default. Create fork. You now have your own copy. This is important. You're deploying your fork, not the original. v.local in your editor. You'll see 10 variables. Leave them blank for now. We're going to fill them in one platform at a time, in order. Don't skip ahead, or you'll end up with values that depend on something you haven't created yet. Supabase first. This is the database that stores your contacts, automations, in your favorite code editor. Now the migrations. In your AutoDMX project, there's a Supabase folder with migration files. These create all the tables the app needs. Copy the SQL, paste it into Supabase's SQL editor, run it. Takes about 2 minutes total. Three values in your .env. Click on Connect at the top of the Supabase homepage. Then scroll down the window and then you can find the Supabase project URL. Copy and paste it in your .env.local file. Then go to Settings, API Keys, and then you can find the anon key and secret key. Copy and paste it in your .env.local file. Next, go to developers.facebook.com and log in with the Facebook account linked to your Instagram. My Apps, create app. Name it whatever. I'll use AutoDMX-IG. Then follow the steps as shown in the video. and add it to the .env.local file. Go to netlify.com, create a project, import the file from GitHub. Important things before going on after adding these API keys. Your .env file has all the API keys completed and the dashboard password and cron secret. There are some keys that need to be added by you. Add that it doesn't require any API integration or anything. Just add the words that I've mentioned on the .env. Keep everything default. Go to the .env file, copy the content, and paste it in the environment variables section. --next. This is the step the README glosses over and most tutorials skip entirely. The cron workflow file is already in the repo. If you look in .github/workflows, you'll see cron.yml. It runs every 10 minutes to drain the send queue and ping Supabase so it doesn't autopause. But it references 4 secrets that GitHub doesn't know yet. Until you add them, the workflow runs every 10 minutes and silently does nothing. No error, no warning, just nothing. Add these 4, one by one. Now go to the Actions tab. You should see AutoDMX cron in the Workflows list. Click it. Click Run Workflow to test it manually. If both steps pass, the cron is alive. This is what keeps your token refreshed and your send queue draining when you get a burst of comments. Go to My Apps in developers.facebook.com, open the application, and in Instagram API settings at callback URL, paste your Netlify project URL/API/webhook, and verify the token that you have added in your .env. Then click on Verify and Save. Go to the basic settings, then fill all the details here at the privacy policy, data protection, and these things. Your project URL from Netlify, the thing I have added from the video, your project URL, and dashboard. Enter your password. Every post and reel from your Instagram account is right here. Click the one you want to automate. Keywords, type the word "people will comment," or tick Match any comment to fire on everything. Leave this blank unless you have a specific trigger word. Public reply variants. Add 2 or 3 different versions of Check Your DMs. They rotate randomly. This is important. Instagram flags accounts that post identical replies repeatedly. DM message. Write the text that lands in their DMs. Don't type. Link here. That's not a template token, it's just text. The links come separately below. Links? Up to 3 URLs. These get wrapped in a tracking redirect automatically so you can see click counts in analytics. Advanced arrow follow gate. Toggle this on only if you want to require a follow before delivering the link. Leave it off if you just want to send the link directly. Save button. Click. Active badge appears on the reel tile. Done. The automation is live. Live test. Commenting the keyword right now from a second account. Under 2 seconds from comment to DM in the inbox. 1 comment, 1 reply, 1 DM, 0 manual work, and the logs show exactly what happened at every step. Public reply posted, private DM sent. Tap I followed. The bot rechecks and releases the link. The person doesn't get the link until their actual interacts gets logged as a contact. You can tag them, filter them, export to CSV. Coming soon, broadcasts. Send a message to every contact who interacted in the last 30 days, within their 24-hour window. AutoDMX is open source, MIT adjacent license. You can use it, fork it, modify it, run it on your own accounts. If you find a bug, open an issue. If you build a feature, open a PR. The roadmap includes AI replies with your own Claude or GPT key, story mention triggers, and DM keyword flows. If this saved you $100 a month, 2 things. Star the repo. It takes 1 second, and it's how other developers find open source projects. Subscribe here. I build and ship tools like this in public. Next one's already in progress. See you in the next one.